On 1956 in Queso Kingdom, Gryu the evil king, making minions go to prison for 67 years for hurting the school to send shockwaves across the minions' world. It's gotten so bad that the minions cried because of massive punishment that hits towards minions. Gru, the first threatening minions to destroy the minions' world, making minions to suffer.
Oh no! Why we all in prison? We need to escape! Please!
Yes, we know! We need to escape the prison. But what are we gonna do? Oh, we have a spoon, we have a pickaxe. So it's gonna be a lot harder to figure out which escape it is. Oh, here it comes.
Sakawai Studios.